Sander here. I'm the design manager at Traveller Caravans. Our brand new destination product range consists of two variants. The cruise for your on-road traveling and track for your semi-off-road traveling. All cruise models come with an Elco leaf spring suspension. Every cruise model comes with a 110-litre freshwater tank, a 125-amp lithium battery and a 200-watt solar panel. Every track model comes with two 125-amp lithium batteries. Every track model comes with an A-frame mounted toolbox. Every track model comes with the DO35 recessed coupling.